Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. Let's work together, let's practice full body functional mobility for your daily life. Let's work. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you find my content useful for you, you can share. This way you can push my channel to more people, so I'll be thankful for it. Here we go, take a deep breath first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, right leg in front. We're gonna bend our left knee. We're gonna drive our hips backwards. We're gonna stretch our right side of your leg, back side, hamstrings. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're gonna bend our right leg up, left leg goes straight and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Activate your core. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we switch. Left leg in front, hip drive backwards, bend your right leg and hold. Feel your hamstrings. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then up, left, bend it in front, hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Awesome. We continue warming up. Bend your right leg in front. Then from here, open your right leg towards the side. Keep holding it. And then if you can do it properly, bend your left knee. Drive your hip backwards and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. And we switch. Right leg on the ground. We're gonna elevate your left first. Then we're gonna open your left towards the side. Hold. Then we're gonna drive our hip backwards, bending our knee. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back up and release. Nice. If you cannot do it properly, you can place a chair in front of you and do it with support. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. We continue with, you place your arms on your knees. We're gonna rotate your pelvis. So we're gonna pike our back, rotate your pelvis forward, then arch backward. Here we go. 10, 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, arch. 9, 8, sorry. 9, one more. 10, and hold. 3, 2, 1. Then from here, you're gonna open your toes more outside, knees look outside, and then go deep squat. And hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we drive our hip backwards, lengthening through the spine. As you can see, all your tension goes in the hamstrings. And you hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're gonna squat down and bring back to this position. Head backwards, and 2, nice. And 3, feel your hamstrings. 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, awesome. 8, breathe. 9, 10, and hold. All the tension goes in the hamstrings, you're gonna hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lock, drive your toes in front, so your legs now are parallel. Hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you continue. You're gonna inhale, place your arms on the ground. Exhale, you go to plank position. Hold plank position. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're gonna go to down dog. Lengthening for the spine, we're gonna hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're back again to plank position. We're gonna elevate our left leg from the ground. We're gonna start bending our right knee and down. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We go to down dog again, and then we're gonna switch side. Breathe, hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, straight legs, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we continue, plank position, pike your back, engage your core, lower back, everything. Elevate your right leg, start bending your left knee, and 1, 2, nice, 3, 10, 4, 5, go ahead, 6, nice, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to down dog. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. From here, we're gonna open our arms a little bit wider. We're gonna go back to plank position. We're gonna do 10 push-ups. For those who cannot, you can place your knee on the ground and go with your knees on the ground. Here we go, 10. Nice and smooth. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold plank position. Bring your arms closer. Hold plank position 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With your right arm, you drive backwards to one arm down dog. You should touch with your left. You should touch your left toe, and then your right arm drives forward. You have one arm plank position. And then your back, switch. Left drive towards the right side and front. And then your back. Here we go. 10. Inhale. Exhale, drive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're finishing with down dog. Okay, hold here 10 seconds. Lengthening through the spine, keep your legs straight. Inhale. Exhale, breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, we're gonna open our arms a little bit wider. Plank position, we're gonna go to 10 push-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Bring your knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. Then exhale. Then one more. Then exhale. Okay. Toes outside if you can. Please, for those who cannot like sit properly, you can place a pillow or a yoga block. First stretch. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then drive up. Awesome. Then we continue. We're gonna do straight arms in front. We're gonna lean backwards. People call it like Nordic lever, but whatever. For me, this is kind of planche, kind of squat. You can just name it how you want. Take a deep breath first. Straight arms in front. From here, we can drive backwards with straight back. Keep pushing forward and back. We're gonna do 10 times. Please make sure if your legs are not so strong, don't lie backwards too much. Another thing is engage your core, lower back, and push from your butt always forward. Your tension should be always in your legs, lower back, and core. Take a deep breath. Here we go. Arms straight in front. 10. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, breathe. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last one, we go all over. Okay. And stretch. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Awesome. Release. Legs together, sit down. Normally, take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, let's stabilize our back. Left leg straight, right elbow on the ground, right leg in front, bend it 90 degrees. We're gonna elevate, down, elevate, down. Here we go, 10. Right leg up, here we go. Inhale deeply. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And switch. Right elbow on the ground, right leg straight, left leg bend it, and elevate. And 2, 3, 4, higher, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go. We continue. What we're gonna do next, adding some leg strength. From here, get ready. We're gonna lunge backwards with your right leg first. Then we're gonna step forward and we're gonna squat down. And again, lunge backwards, squat forward. Here we go. We're gonna do 12 on each side. Take a deep breath. Let's work. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go. Same thing with the right leg. I will do in diagonal, you can see clearly. Lunge backwards, drop your hip more backwards, and then you can step closer and squat down. Here we go. 12, and 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, we're continuing. Legs on fire. We're gonna do Cozak squat with hip rotation. So we're gonna do 8 on each side. We're gonna bend our right leg, drive our hip backwards, down, and from here we're gonna rotate. We're gonna back, and then we're gonna switch, and then we're gonna rotate, and then we're gonna switch side. So it goes right, left, right, left. We're gonna squat down. First we squat, then we rotate, then we back, then we switch. Here we go. 16, left, right, 8. Take a deep breath. Let's work nice and slow. 1, and then switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1 more, 16. Awesome. Good one. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, let's finish with some upper body mobility. Legs should rest. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. From the right arm first. Left on the ground. From here, you're gonna inhale. You're gonna exhale. You're gonna relax your left scapular. Your spine draws closer to the ground. Then from here, right arm drives forward. You're gonna push from your left scapular towards the side. Rotate fully, and again. Down, relax. Up, push. Here we go. 10. 1, 2. Open as high as possible. 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. And hold. 3, 2, 1. And we switch. Right arm on the ground. Take a deep breath. Same with another side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 4. Down, relax. Up, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10 and hold. 3, 2, 1 and release. Okay, take a deep breath. Put your arms on your knees. Close your eyes. Few deep breaths. Exhale. One more. Exhale. One more. Exhale. That's it. Nice. Hope you like it, hope you enjoyed. Wish you all the best. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Don't forget also, your body is your clock. Peace out.